Sam and Harry are two friends. Sam is a child who always likes to do boasting. Sam tells Harry that he has 100 tens in his piggy bank. Sam also tells Harry that he went to his uncle's place, which is 2 crore millimeters away. Sam also tells that his cousin is a bodybuilder who can lift 3 crore milligrams of weight with one hand and also drinks 2000 milliliters of juice daily. Harry is surprised to hear this. Did you notice that Sam used different units of measurement? One unit of measurement can be converted to another unit. Let's discuss the conversion of units in detail. We will first discuss about money. You know that 10 rupee notes make 100 rupees. 100 notes of 10 rupees make 1000. You can also see that 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. By the same logic, 10 notes of 100 rupees make 1000. Now, considering the scenario we saw in the beginning, we can say that Sam has 1000 rupees in his piggy bank. Now, can you tell how many hundreds are required to make 1 lakh? To get 1 lakh, you need to have 1000 notes of 100 rupees or 100 notes of 1000 rupees. This is because 100 into 1000 makes 1 lakh. Let's now see how can we get 1 crore. 100 into 1 lakh makes 1 crore. Also, 10,000 notes of 1000 rupees make 1 crore. Therefore, 1 crore is equal to 10,000 thousands. Now let's discuss the conversion of units of measurement of length. For measuring the lengths of objects, such as a table or a book, centimeter is used. For very small measurements, such as the thickness of a coin or the length of a capsule, we use millimeter. For measuring the length of a cloth, meter is used. And for measuring large distances, such as the distance between 2 places, kilometer is used. Now 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Now 100 centimeters is equal to 1000 millimeters. Therefore, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. In turn, 1 kilometer is equal to 10 lakh millimeters. Other than kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter, there are other units of measurement such as hectometer, decameter and decimeter. But kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter are commonly used units of length depending upon the size of the object. Meter is the standard unit of measurement. Measure of length with respect to meter is shown in the table. Using this conversion table, we can interconvert the units of length. Now, connecting back to the original scenario, we can say that Sam traveled only 20 kilometers because 2 crore millimeters is equal to 20 kilometers. Let us now solve some problems based on the conversion of units of length. First, let us find out the total length of the garland required in centimeters. the length of the garland available is 300 centimeters. So, the length of the additional garland required is 200 centimeters. Therefore, the number of garlands required is 4. Let us solve another problem. We will divide the length to be covered by the distance between the two poles to get the number of poles on one side. Therefore, the number of poles required for both sides is 8,000. However, one pole is required at the starting point on each side. So, the total number of poles will be 8,002. Let us learn about conversion of units of weight. The commonly used units of measurement of weight are kilogram, gram, and milligram. Other units of measurement of weight are hectogram, decagram, decigram, and centigram. But the standard unit of measurement of weight is gram. The relation between the units of measurement of weight with respect to grams is shown in the table. Using this conversion table, we can interconvert the units of weight. Therefore, 1 kilogram is 10 lakh milligrams. So, going back to the scenario, we can say that Sam's cousin can lift 30 kilograms of weight with one hand, as 3 crore milligrams is equal to 30 kilograms. Let us solve a problem based on conversion of weight. First, let us find out the total weight of all capsules by multiplying the weight of one capsule by the number of capsules. Now, we can convert this into kilograms like this. Let us solve another problem. To find out the number of coins, we will divide the total weight of all coins by the weight of one coin. Hence, the total number of coins is 4,000. Let us now learn to convert the units of capacity. The commonly used units of capacity are kiloliter, liter, and milliliter. But the standard unit of measurement of capacity is liter. Other units of capacity are hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter, and centiliter. The relation between the different units of capacity with respect to liter is shown in the table. Using this table, we can interconvert the units of capacity. Again, going back to the scenario, we can say that Sam's cousin drinks 2 liters of juice daily, as 2,000 milliliters is equal to 2 liters. We will now solve some problems based on the conversion of units of measurement of liquid. Let us find out the quantity of paint required for the windows. Then, let's find out the paint required for the doors. Therefore, the total paint required is 20 liters. So the cost of painting is 4,000 rupees. Let's solve some problems based on large numbers. In order to find out the increase in population, we need to subtract the old population from the current population. Let us solve another problem. To find out the number of people subscribing the mobile connection from this company this year, we need to subtract the number of customers of the previous year from the current number of customers. Let us solve this problem. To find out the total profit, first we need to add the number of mangoes and apples. Now, we will multiply the number of fruits by rupees 2 to get the total profit. Let us solve another problem. To find out the total money, we need to add the money collected by Class 6 and Class 7 students. Sam bought 3 tennis balls for 30 rupees each. Harry bought 5 shuttlecocks for 30 rupees each. Since both the items have the same price, Sam added the number of items and multiplied the number by the price to get the total cost. Sam did the calculation as shown. So he gave 153 rupees to the shopkeeper. However, the shopkeeper did not agree. Can you say where did Sam go wrong? When we combine 2 or more mathematical operations together, we need to specify clearly which operation needs to be done first. We do this by using brackets. A bracket indicates a single pack of numbers and operations which need to be simplified first. Let us see an example. Here, the bracket indicates that 2 plus 3 needs to be evaluated first and not 3 into 5. So the solution will be 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. Let us see another example. Here the sum of 8 and 9 is the combined operation. So the product of 7 with the sum of 8 and 9 is written as shown. Let's now solve this problem. You need to first solve the expression inside the brackets. Similarly, we can solve the second part of the question. Simplifying gives answer as 5. Let us now learn how to expand brackets. Here, we have to perform multiplication by 5 on both the numbers inside the brackets. Therefore, we will get 5 into 1 plus 5 into 9. Let us see another example. Let us see how expanding brackets helps us in simplifying calculation. Here, we can break up 102 and 13 as shown. Then, we can expand the brackets one by one. On simplifying, we get 1326. Now, considering the scenario we saw, we can conclude that Sam has to first add the number of tennis balls and shuttlecocks and then multiply the same with the price.
Let us summarize.